Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Today is all about forbidden black rice. This is called as black rice. It contains the bran and hulk which allows you to absorb the nutrients to our body. The antioxidants called as anthocyanin helps in preventing lots of diseases and it contains lots of nutrients too. So I have soaked the black rice overnight and I'm going to prepare into two batters for preparing dosa and for halwa. I've soaked 1 spoon of urud dal and fenugreek seeds. Now let's go ahead and grind it. You can use the soaked water for grinding purpose because it contains lots of nutrients. So this is the batter. First we are going to make a halwa batter. I'm grinding it with 1 cardamom and pouring in a pressure pan and it start thickening. I'm using a non-stick pan though, and naturally it's having a sticky substance like in this rice. And I have prepared half quarter cup of coconut milk which I'm going to add it in this recipe. And for sweetness you can add either sugar or jaggery, and then ghee roasted cashews and grapes. So keep stirring it and add all the ingredients one by one. Your halwa will get ready. The Chinese emperors in olden days was using this because they know the importance of this and they want to get all the medicinal uses and want to live for a long life. They forbidden this rice to others. That is the reason the name you got as forbidden. And taking a small portion will give you 2 gram of fiber, 5 gram of protein and 4 gram of iron very easily. So your halwa is almost ready. Apart from this halwa, we can also prepare modak, pongal, laddu, and even Chinese and Japanese you prepare cake out of this. Chinese use them as blood tonic. So people now understand the importance of this. It acts as a natural detoxifier, fights against cancer, helps in weight loss and lowers cholesterol. And important is improves immunity power. So we can consume them in different forms of recipes and give our family members a healthier life. So halwa is ready. Next let's prepare dosa. The batter is ready. Prepare it as a normal dosa and you can enjoy it with your sambar or chutney. It tastes good. Next we'll go to paniyaram. I'm going to add some chopped onions and curry leaves and little amount of jeera powder, and we can go ahead and prepare paniyaram or ape. This tastes good. It looks very soft outside and inside you can feel the little stickiness. Chinese and Japanese use them in the normal form of rice because they are used to, but cooking time varies. So the ape is ready. So you can prepare these type of healthy ingredients and give it to your family with lots of love, and you can have a healthy and happier life. Thank you guys. Bye bye.